welcome to my channel. So this is Miss Sabina. So today we are at this FC Road. So let's start the vlog. Let's enjoy my vlog of FC Road. So here is with me Dimple Didi. Hi.
Hi.
We gonna enjoy, yeah?
Yes.
आज तो खूब मस्ती करेंगे, बहुत खरीदेंगे, बहुत सारा खरीदना है आज. देखते हैं कैसा मिलता है. So this is a Hong Kong lane of FC Road, guys. Here you can find varieties of things, you name it, you can get it. As you can see in the video, belt, gadget, accessories, everything. And you can get varieties of cute airport also, airport case, which were for like 250. You have to bargain it. You can get in discount. Like you can see, very cute pop socket also. These were for 80 rupees. You can get it for 50 rupees, I think. And watch stripe also. These were for 250 for the normal one and 450 for the metal one. Again, you have to get in bargain. You have to really bargain. And here in this FC Road, you can find varieties of things like shorts for 100 rupees, women's stole for 200 rupees, some were for 100 rupees. These bags were for 250 rupees. Like you have to get it from, like it is from starting from 250 rupees, not fixed 250. And you can get it t-shirt, these kurtis for 250. Kurtis were fixed price, so it was fixed 250, no discount. Every shop of FC Road, they were for fixed price. You know, the kurti was for fixed price 250 rupees, no discount. And it was like 250 was the minimum price for the kurtis. You can get even expensive one, which were for 450, 400. It just depend on the quality, or it was somewhere for like the plazo set. So just 250 was the starting price. So these kurtis were for 250. Wherever you go in the FC Road of any shop, you will get it for 250 rupees. So I'm not sure, I have not idea, so I'm very new to place, so I got for like 250 rupees. And here you can find varieties of shoes, this chappals, very beautiful Kolhapuri chappal. I was like obsessed with these chappals, and these for 250 rupees. Then I got from 200 rupees in a discount price from the the lane in FC Road. So I was very happy that they gave me discount for like 200 rupees, which is very affordable price for 200 for Kolhapuri chappals. And then we tried from this Cream California, the famous place for thick shake ice cream softy. We tried this softy, and I really love this. This is a very famous place, I think. So yes, we really enjoyed it. We have came to the MG roadside to do some shopping, to explore here. So I did some of the shopping from FC Road. So like FC Road, you can find very beautiful this jewelries, junky jewelries, earrings, neck piece in MG Road. They were for 250 rupees for this neck piece. Like starting price was 250. It depends on the design of the neck piece, and 250 rupees for earrings. If you want to get in cheaper price, then you have to really bargain it, because they were for fixed price. They were not giving any discount. But look at these jewelries, guys. This is so beautiful. They were like so trendy and very nice. I really like them. Like FC Road, guys, you can also find very beautiful kurtis in affordable price. So these were for 250 rupees. So this is a shop just opposite of Biba store, and this guy was really sweet of him that he gave me discount. Before it was for 250 rupees, and after he gave me some of the discount because I bought like 2-3 pieces, and the pieces were also very nice. Otherwise the prices were quite fixed in these areas. Like it was starting price 250. Honestly speaking, I really love this this street shopping, and I'm sucker for this street shopping, and I really like this MG Road, FC Road. This is a heaven for girls, girls like us who love to shop and bargain.
विंटर वियर
100 रुपीज। ये देखो यार, डायनासोर का देखो, ये वाला।
हाँ, वो अच्छा पीस है।
देखा क्या?
तो 3 फोल्डेड है।
सभी ना, ये देखो ना।
हाँ, ठीक है। पर वो लंबाई का भी देख लियो ना, मैं लंबाई का भी
लंबाई बहुत है ना मैडम,
मैं ज़्यादा हो जाएगा ना, मैं तो
ज़्यादा नहीं होगा,
शॉर्ट हूँ ना मैं।
बराबर आना ना, पहनने के बाद परफेक्ट आएंगे आपको।
So guys, if you are coming to MG Road, get it earring from this guy. He was giving earrings for just 30 rupees and 50 rupees, not like the other vendors who were giving for 150 rupees and 250 rupees, which were fixed price. But it was so sweet of him that he gave for like 30 rupees and just 50 rupees, which were so nice and trendy pieces. And this lady was selling very trendy kurti set, which I really like, but the prices were like 750, starting 750, some of them were 80. And again, you can find varieties of bag also, like you can see, the price was starting price was 250 rupees, some of them were for 450, some are for 600. So it's just depend on the bag you will want to get it. So the starting price was 250 rupees. 450. And to the surprise, guys, this guy was selling this Kolhapuri chappals and normal design chappal just for 250 rupees for 2 jodi, and I was completely shocked, and I was like, let me get it, I have to get it from here. And I was regretting like why I didn't find you earlier. I should have find you earlier, because I got 200, like 400 for 2 pair, which is also not bad, but 250 for 2 jodi is like, oh my god guys, it's a steal deal. So now we are done with the shopping. I did lot of shopping today in this MG Road and FC Road, so it was nice. It was like a good experience shopping out here. So here is my brother, he's carrying all this bag, like this is all the shopping I did, and this is also here. So I am very happy. It is like steal deal for me, but it was not so much like cheap, but you will find it like much cheaper than the malls. You won't find that much cheaper like Sarojini Market of Delhi. But so yeah, I had a good experience. So now I'm gonna get back to home. So now I'm very tired. So it's already like 3-4 hours that we did shopping. So now I'm gonna wrap out with you out here. Thank you so much you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye.